The program has also generated substantial economic activity in rural areas, creating employment opportunities, supporting local businesses, and stimulating construction-related industry across Sindh. Mr. Speaker, sir, this program has been reviewed by all international agencies, and I'm very proud to tell you that the World Bank, the Islamic Development Bank, the Asian Development Bank have mentioned that this program is the best ever housing program that they've done anywhere around the world. And this was the brainchild of Chairman Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, who for the first time ever, there have been floods before, but it's the first time ever that the government is rebuilding houses, and they're rebuilding climate resilient houses for these. So this program has been acclaimed as the flagship program by all international agencies. So for next year, the allocation for the Sindh People's Housing for Flood to complete the remaining houses is rupees 100.4 billion. Building upon the reconstruction efforts, the government has launched a $214 water, sanitation and hygiene program. The initiative will provide clean drinking water and sanitation facilities to approximately 215,000 households in 1,800 villages, benefiting more than 1 million people. In addition, design work has commenced in 200 villages under wash intervention, while physical work in 100 villages are expected to commence by the end of June 2026. So another flagship project that we've completed is the Sharai Bhutto. It's a new era in connectivity. Honorable Speaker, Karachi's continued growth depends upon modern infrastructure and efficient mobility. I am very pleased to report that Sharai Bhutto, one of the largest urban infrastructure projects in Sindh history, has now become operational. Constructed at a cost of approximately rupees 60 billion, the project comprises a modern 38.75 kilometer corridor connecting Qayyumabad with the M9 motorway. As Karachi's first major infrastructure project developed under the public-private partnership framework, it represents a landmark achievement in innovative financing and project delivery. The impact is already visible. Travel time along the corridor has been reduced to approximately 25 minutes, while Sharai Bhutto is currently facilitating the movement of around 25,000 vehicles daily.